Hey guys, today I will be doing the unboxing of a new men's subscription box named the Mr. Box, and I'll be unboxing the variant rupees 599 box, and you can get additional 5% discount. For that you have to first subscribe to my channel and follow the Mr. Box on Instagram and Facebook. Then while placing order you have to tell them my YouTube channel name Kyra Eri and send the screenshots of the same that you have followed them and subscribed to my channel. As you know, in India there are very less men's subscription boxes and that too affordable. So here it is, the Mr. Box, which has two variants, and the theme for this April-May month box is Wake Up, Freshen Up and Rock Sun Up. There are two variants. So the first box is for rupees 599 with free shipping, and the second box is for rupees 799 with free shipping. And this box covers the basic needs overall in this modern lifestyle. Okay, so in rupees 599 box you will get 4 items, in which the first one is Brahma Bull Face wash, or you can choose soap, which is for rupees 249. Then the second one is t-shirt for rupees 1299. So third you will get 2 pairs of socks worth rupees 100, and fourth you will get earphones worth rupees 140. That means you will get products worth rupees 1788 at just rupees 599 with free shipping. And in rupees 799 box you will get 5 items. First will be Brahma Bull Face Wash worth rupees 249. Second will be Brahma Bull Face Scrub rupees 399. Third will be Brahma Bull Soap worth rupees 249. Fourth will be the star product in the box, the t-shirt worth rupees 1299. And fifth will be socks worth rupees 50. That means you will get products worth rupees 2296 at just rupees 799 with free shipping. So now let's unbox. So for a new subscription box in their launch month, they have done a really good job. Just see the packaging. This is how it came in. Okay, the ribbon was like this. So see the packaging, it's really good for a launch edition. So ladies can give this box to their male friends, relatives, siblings, or men can buy this for themselves. This is a great gifting option in a budget. So let's start with the first product in the box, that is the star product, is this Levi's t-shirt. I hope you can see. This is how the t-shirt looks. It is plain. You get size and color options for this t-shirt. I have chosen this red color t-shirt and the size is S, and the price of the t-shirt is mentioned as rupees 1299, and it's really nice as you are getting a clothing item for men in an affordable men's subscription box. So moving on to the next item in this box, you will get this 2 pairs of socks worth rupees 100. So let me just show you. So these are the 2 pairs of socks, ankle length socks. So it is a good addition actually. So these were the lifestyle items, and these are very useful for day-to-day life. So now let's see the third product in this box, is this activated charcoal soap by the brand name Brahma Bull, and you can either choose a Brahma Bull soap or a Brahma Bull face wash, and the price for this is rupees 249. So the soap is 100% natural and organic, and it deeply cleanses without drying out the skin, while mint and tea tree oils create a refreshing scent. And it has charcoal. That's the best thing, as it will soak up the impurities and purify the skin. And this was the third. The last item in this box is this earphone. As you know, after a time period, earphone stops working, and then these earphones can come in handy. So this will be very useful. This will be a great box as you get all the 4 products in this box which are useful in day-to-day life, and none will be wasted. And even whom you are gifting or you are buying for yourself. And I like the curation of the April-May month's box. If you also like, you can also buy from them. Just message them on their Instagram page. All the links will be in the description box below, so do check out. And thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And be strong and keep